So this video is for any attorney out there who just wants to talk to and retain more estate planning law clients. So I'm putting together, it's about a 15-part course, about 15 videos, lots of PDFs, worksheets, that will help any attorney who wants to really, quite frankly, sell more estate planning legal services. This course is all about, okay, you've got someone's attention. How do you make sure you have the type of conversations so that at the end of the conversation, they're like, I am ready to go. Let's get started. I want to get this done right now. What do we need to do? So what I want to go through is just maybe the 15 different components of that course or workshop, and then really ask for some feedback from you as to what you're looking for or where you feel like you could use some improvement. So one part is in kind of chronological order. Really preparing for the meeting with the prospective client, how to qualify that client, make sure you're not wasting your time or theirs by having a discussion. 2, how at the beginning of the discussion to set the agenda so that there's an expectation of what you guys are going to go over. When and how, and to both answer questions and maybe more importantly, not answer their questions. We're going to go through how to ask the right question, how to listen to the response, and what to listen for so that you can ask the next right question. Another component is going to be handling unusual observations where kind of early in the meeting you're thinking, boy, I don't know if this person is right for me or if I'm right for them. How to handle those unusual observations. Going to talk about how to maybe initiate discussions and kind of emotional discussions from them when the prospective client doesn't even really know what questions to ask or what to talk about. We'll discuss in our course some of the hot button issues that clients really like to talk about when they talk about getting their legal affairs in order and getting them kind of emotionally fired up to get things done. We'll talk about how the attorney should summarize things from time to time, should check-ins to make sure during the conversation with the prospective client that the prospective client is 100% on board and full speed ahead. We'll talk about speaking kind of at the right level, not too smart, not too dumb, and what to listen for to make sure that you're speaking in the right terms. We'll find out how to uncover from that prospective client whether you missed anything. We're not mind readers, and sometimes prospective clients have unique or strange things going through their mind, and we don't ever know what they are until they uncover them to us. So how to find those out. We'll talk about how to handle the kind of will or trust conversation that comes up in every estate planning conversation. We'll talk about how to bring up the fee discussion and talk about that the right way. We'll talk about how to ask for the business. Boy, I've seen a lot of client meetings blow up, or maybe prospective clients get offended because you don't ask for the business the right way. We'll talk about how to handle objections, how to make sure you don't get the "we need to go home and talk about it," "I need to think about it" objections, which that's really not what they're saying, but if you're hearing that, then something needs to be addressed probably on the front end. And then we'll talk about what you should do immediately after you're retained by the prospective client, you've turned them into a client, what to do, in that next minute or two. So we're going to go through all those things in a course. I'm excited to put all of that together. It's going to be comprehensive. It's going to be video, audio, PDF, worksheets, just everything that an attorney would need to make sure that they secure that business once they get in a position where they can have a conversation with that prospective client about helping that prospective client solve all of their estate legal needs. Hope that helps. I'm Paul Rabelais. Need comments on what areas you'd like to see focused on the most when a program is put together from the yes, Mr. or Ms. Attorney, I'd like to talk to you, all the way through yes, Mr. or Ms. Attorney, you're hired. What piece of that do you want to learn about the most? Hope that helps. Look forward to your comments. Have a great day.